I will read, can hear me. First I read the message from Mr. Mamnoon Hussain, President Islamic Republic of Pakistan, on Pakistan's day 23rd March 2015. I quote, the 23rd March remarks the momentous occasion when Muslims of India resolved to struggle for an independent state based on principle of equality and justice. It was on this day, 75 years ago, that great thinkers and political leaders came together to embark upon the journey for independence. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah realized that it was the right of every Muslim of South Asia to enjoy freedom, equality, and social justice. Millions of people sacrificed their lives to realize the dream of Pakistan. To mark this historic occasion, I would like to urge all citizens of Pakistan to renew their resolve to bring their country to the forefront of Committee of Nations. We are confronted with formidable threats and challenges. Women and children, civilians and soldiers alike, have been targeted by terrorists and extremists. Our schools and our places of worship are being attacked. This day brings us together to remind us the great struggle and commitment that accomplished the state of Pakistan. Today, Pakistan needs the same efforts and commitment from its citizens to unite against these evil forces. We must forget our differences and reclaim our country. A country where there is harmony and tolerance, education and prosperity, and people can live in peace and continue to strive towards success. May Allah Almighty bless us in our efforts to preserve and protect our citizens and our homeland. Pakistan Zindabad. अब मैं वज़ीर आज़म जनाब मोहम्मद नवाज शरीफ साहब का